The vehicle that you're looking at right now is a 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This car does not belong to me. It's not in my name. It's not in my business name. This actually belongs to a guy by the name of Glenn. And Glenn is a chef that I met at a networking event about 2.5 years ago. And we talked about Turo briefly. And he said, hey, man, I want to connect with you in the near future. Well, fast forward 2.5 years later, here's the connection. Glenn wanted to join my joint venture program because he's doing a retreat for the next 4 months. He's as a chef in Michigan, I believe. And he didn't want his car just sitting, not making no money, knowing that he still has to make the payment on this for the next 4 months while he's not driving it at all. So he reached out, asked could he join my joint venture program and have his car put on Turo for the next 4 months while he's out. And I said, of course, let's make it happen. What we talking about? Let's do it. So he brought the car to me on Monday, Memorial Day, 7 o'clock p.m. He dropped the car off. Once he dropped the car off, we ended up putting the contract together, showing the 50-50 split, the time and duration that I'm going to have this car listed on Turo until he gets back. And I listed the car on Tuesday, a day later, after I had the kill switch and tracker installed. And today is Friday. So that means I've only had the car in my possession for a total of 5 days. Within those 5 days, we've already had 4 bookings. As you can see on the screen, we had a booking for May 27th. All right. That was right after I got it on Tuesday. Then we had another booking come in for May 29th. Then we had another booking come in for June 3rd. Then we had another booking come in for June 5th. So this brother is going to be able to make some money on this vehicle while he's away, be able to still pay his car note, use some of the funds from what he's receiving to pay his car note, pocket the rest. Right now, I have the car listed at $70 a day just to start out. I like to start my cars out at just a decent rate and get 5 bookings first. We're already at 4. One more booking, I'm raising it up $10. So it's going to go from $70 to $80 a day. After I get another 5 bookings, I raise it up another $10. We're at $90 a day. Right now, the car has already produced $417 just within those, just for me having with these 5 days. At the rate that I have it at, what I'm trying to get to at $90 a day, we're going to be roughly around $2,250 for per month on this vehicle, and him and I are doing a 50-50 split. So you divide that by 2, that's $1,125 that he can be expecting to receive, and he can pay his car note, and he can pay his car note insurance and pocket the rest. And also while his car is being on my platform, he's connected to my Turo platform, so he gets to see the back end of everything. And this allows him to take all the information and data that I have and apply it to himself when he wants to get started with his own Turo rental car business. And this is what I like to do with the joint venture program. It's not just so I can keep adding cars and making money. I want to show you how the business is done so you can take my blueprint and just duplicate it. I already have the proven blueprint. It works. Okay, I got this down packed. It works. And for him to be able to see this, that it works, that's what I like to see for individuals who come to me. I want to show them how real this is, and also show him that he can be able to do it on his own. And this is what we call the joint venture program. This is how you can get cars without having to put any money down. Get them listed, get them rented out. So if you're a person that is trying to get into the business, you could come at this from another angle by just reaching out to somebody who has a vehicle and shooting a proposal to them and saying, hey, let me list it on my Turo platform, and we go 50-50 on it. If you want the contracts and all the stuff that I have, just shoot me a DM. Or if you want to get your car on my platform, you want to partner up with me, click the link in my bio. Everything you need to know, the link is in the bio. It's your boy William Boston. I'll holler at y'all on the next one.